We at Sambhali believe in human rights.
Every Sunday, we are conducting workshops at our office, the Assembly's headquarters.
The project is dedicated to the upliftment of the LGBT community. There's a lot of discrimination against them. People are still not used to this. To empower them, it is important to know their rights, where they can come in and talk to professionals for career, about psychology, create a network of friends.
In Jodhpur, this is the only place where they can share and express themselves without any fear or shyness.
My team and I, we've always stood by this community. Our team's been very carefully sensitized towards this issue.
करके अब मैं यहाँ तक पहुँची हूँ और असम्बली ट्रस्ट ने हमारी बहुत मदद की है.
Our advocacy in this field has been recognized by our local administration. Sambhali is trying to create that network and that ripple effect